My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
Baby, where is my ticket? Where is my airline ticket? I mean, I need to go to Jamaica. I need to go to Mexico, somewhere. Because y'all see the curls on this glueless wig. They are giving me beach vibes, okay? So, that's all I'm gonna say. Book your ticket. I'm not about to play with y'all. I'm trying to be serious. Y'all know how I like to joke, but I'm gonna be serious. This unit is a glueless unit from LUVME Hair. So first and foremost, shout out to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. As y'all can see, this hair right out the box has the uniform curls. So I already know just from looking at it, straight out the box, I already know that this unit is going to be beautiful. If you notice right here, I'm just going over the additional security on the wig because I know one thing, like if you're like me, I always get a little nervous about glueless units just because I don't want them to go out of place. I'm not trying to be in the grocery store and my wig fall off. Y'all already know. But it gives you 2 additional layers of that security feature with the additional adjustable strap. So y'all already know that you're going to get some goodies with your wig. Of course, everything displayed on the screen here. I just want to go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I just want to make it very, very clear that this wig already comes pre-bleached. The knots are already pre-bleached and the hairline is already pre-plucked. You could literally just take this wig out of the box, put it on. You do not have to do any customizations. I am doing this based off of my own personal preference because I do want them a little bit darker just to match my skin tone and really look like it's coming out of my scalp, okay? But I just wanted to make that very, very clear. I know y'all saw that up close to this lace, okay? This lace is the truth. It's a Swiss lace and all I'm gonna say is it's going to give scalp. Just trust the process. Anyway, I'm just spraying a little bit of spray just to get the hairline out of my way. Not the hairline, baby. I am trying to spray the hairs out of the way so it can be out of the way when I put this bleach on. Right now, I'm just pointing out that the very, very top area, I want to do that last. I don't want to put my bleach up at the front first because I am using a 30 developer. And if you have bleached wigs before, then you know, baby, it can be a split-second difference between your knots being bleached and your knots being overly bleached. So I'm going to do the very front last just because I don't want to have any issues with over bleaching my knots in the front because I'm lazy and I really don't want to go back with color to try to color this wig. All right, so after letting that bleach sit on there, I think I let it sit for about 25-30 minutes. I told y'all I'm a little overly paranoid when it comes to bleaching the knots, and I did not want to go back and do any kind of box color, but it came out perfect. It is definitely giving more of that natural scalp color for my skin complexion. I only go in with the purple shampoo on the actual area that I'm bleaching. I feel like it's kind of pointless to use that purple shampoo on the rest of the hair. So I just use that on that area that I bleached. And then I went in with my normal shampoo and conditioner and I went ahead and finished out the rest of the wash process. See, this is why I'm glad that I was a little paranoid because that 25 minutes turned out to be the perfect amount of time. No bleach on the hairs or anything like that, just strictly on that lace. I am ready to define the curl so I can get this wig on my head, okay? This is the hair freshly washed. As you can see, the curls are already juicy, but baby, once we go in and define them, they are going to pop. I'm just going in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner because, yeah, and you know, we need to condition the hair. It's 100% hair, so we got to condition it. I did not brush it through, though. I just went in, you know, just did a little finger massage just to get that product worked in. I am not using anything outside of mousse. I'm not using curl defining custard. I'm not using gel, spritz, none of that. I am literally just using mousse because I don't want any kind of white flakiness or anything like that in this hair. Mousse should be just enough. And as long as that hair is air dried, those curls are going to be beautiful. I believe, though, that you definitely want to make sure you're using the right brush. I love using my Denman brush anytime I'm separating out curly hair. I even do it on my own hair because I just feel like when you go through with that Denman brush, it really defines out each hair strand. So when you go through with that pass, it just really separates out everything nice and like I don't know. It just, it does something. I can't explain it. If anybody else finds a better brush, you know, you are more than welcome to let me know. But to me, I feel like the Denman does the job. So obviously this is going to be a very repetitive process. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the music up so we can go ahead and go through this hair real quick. Here we are with completely dry hair. I told y'all when the curls were defined that they were going to pop. I'm just saying. So here we are. I'm putting the wig on, making sure it's secure. Let me just tell y'all, I got a watermelon sitting on top of these shoulders, baby. I got a watermelon. So I took the adjustable strap out and I don't have the adjustments on the wig either. Like the wig is just on my head. It ain't going nowhere because it's filled to capacity. Anyway, let me shut up talking about myself. Anyway, I'm cutting off the lace. I definitely could have trimmed this off of my head like while it was still on the mannequin head. But I don't know. I'm one of those people that just likes to, you know, cut it while it's on my head. Anyway, I'm just going in with a little bit of mousse, just to kind of push it down right there where the lace is. I also take a little bit of my product that's already on my brush. I'm not taking additional product, but I just take what's on there, kind of dust it right on that lace, define my part with a little concealer. And like I said, sis, where are we going? You want to go to Jamaica? You want to go to Mexico? Because these curls need to be on somebody's beach. That's all I'm saying. 5x5 lace closure. Okay, you can part to the left, the right, the middle. You can wear it half up, half down. This wig offers a lot of versatility to it. I mean, I am speechless. I thought the curls were beautiful. And for somebody who has tight coily hair and wishes they had, you know, the wavy, like juicy kind of curls, baby, I will walk around and tell everybody this is my hair. Like, don't give me the line. But let me stop playing with y'all. Shouts out again to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. Y'all already know what I'm about to say if you've been here, okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are paying attention and hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos is going up on the channel. I'm just saying. All right, love. Until next time, bye.